Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about the teaching features of classrooms. So if you go ahead and enter your classroom, so after you've logged into your Canvas course and you've clicked on Cranium Cafe, it's going to take you to that course's Cranium Cafe page, which has the option to get into classrooms. Click on classrooms to expand it and click enter classroom. Automatically starts up a live session. So if somebody comes through that link, they're going to pop in here. Again, you can click on record meeting because that is going to allow you to access the archive and send it to somebody. So clicking on recording meeting is going to record it. I'll show you how to access that later. Another tool that is kind of your teaching tool here, because of course you're just videoing here, and you could present something on a whiteboard if it was close enough, or you could come here to the document upload area and you have a lot of options. Okay, many people want to use the whiteboard. Others want to just present documents. So that's kind of up to you because you can also screen share. So let's just say you come in here for the whiteboard options. You want to upload an image and maybe write on it and talk about it. You can do that here. So it saves all of your whiteboards that you create. So if you created one in an earlier class and you want to show it and write more on it, you can do that here by clicking on open. You can also click on open a blank whiteboard and it allows you to name it. Click on OK. Pops open the whiteboard and you have a lot of different features here. I do want to point out that if you want students to be able to write on the whiteboard, you have to unlock it. And this allows other people to edit. I don't currently have anybody in this class, so they won't be able to do anything because there's nobody here. But I can show you that later. All right, so up here are all your tools. If you just highlight over them, just put your mouse over them, it will actually tell you what they are. These are your shape tools, arrow tools, so you can actually do some rudimentary drawings. If you did upload an image, let's do, nope. Let me open this one. It's a Cranium Cafe picture. I'm going to zoom in a little bit to the picture so you guys can see it. And then let's say I was trying to highlight over here, like if you want to, so this is all the list of things that you would have showing up in your Cranium classroom, all the courses. So I would show you, hey, right here under course management, if you expand that, it's going to allow you to uncheck these boxes. So I would, draw arrows like here. This one you'd uncheck. This one you'd uncheck. You can also use the text tool and type right on the page. Let's see here. You can select and move shapes many at a time. Clear whiteboard. The other one is add a page. So once you're done with one, you could just add a page and continue. Upload an image, highlighting, writing. Tries to help you. This is better with if you have a stylus pad. So basically this is your document upload and share area to grab the whiteboard. That's going to be one of your more powerful tools there.